Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into Apple. We've already published an initial report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated on our latest analysis. We wouldn't want you to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please bear in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 19, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.15. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has experienced a gain of 0.45%. This means that, on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.07% since being listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. However, there are indications that the stock may continue to rise within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 5.83% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from -1.32% to 11.79%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 22.94% change over the next year. The potential return during this period ranges from 12.61% to 29.28%. This means that the stock price could range from $216.69 to $248.76 after a year. Our latest update on Apple brings a headline, Red Day on Friday for Apple. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 26, 2024, the Apple stock price experienced a decline of -0.90%, dropping from $194.17 to $192.42. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.47%, ranging from a low of $191.94 to a high of $194.76. Over the past couple of weeks, the price has been volatile, resulting in a 3.68% gain. It's worth noting that the decrease in volume aligns with the decline in stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign. The trading volume decreased by -13 million shares on the last day, with a total of 42 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $8.03 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $199.62, while the lowest was $141.32. Currently, the price is 3.61% or $7.20 below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 15.7% or $35.84 below the all-time high, which was achieved on August 30, 2018, with a price of $228.26. Today, let's talk about the latest analyst ratings for Apple Incorporated stock. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded their rating on Apple to buy. Earlier on the same day, Bank of America Securities also upgraded Apple, but this time they gave it a negative grade. Moving back to Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Bank of America Securities gave Apple a neutral grade and recommended a hold action. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade and suggested a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, December 14, 2023, Citigroup upgraded Apple and assigned it a buy grade, while recommending a hold action. According to analysts, Apple stock has received a general rating of strong buy. The P/E ratio and price to book of the stock are also rated as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. Here are the key signals for Apple. The Apple stock is currently showing a sell signal from the short-term moving average, but there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, it indicates a general buy signal for the stock, giving a positive forecast. In case of further gains, the stock may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $192.91. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $191.15. A break above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 14, 2023, resulting in a decline of -2.87% so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. The volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk, as volume should follow price movements. Today, I'll be sharing some interesting signals with you. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to consider is pivots, which gave a sell signal 29 days ago. Bollinger also provided a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average, unfortunately, gave a sell signal 2 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. Looking at the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we had a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, let's zoom out and analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average showed a buy signal 7 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 44 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple currently has a support level at $188.63, which is backed by accumulated volume. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when it is tested. When it comes to trading this stock, it generally sees good volume and experiences minimal daily fluctuations, making the risk relatively low. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $2.82, 1.47%, between its high and low points. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.35%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Apple, it's important to go over some key fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is essential as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. In the case of Apple, the PE ratio is relatively normal. This is often observed in businesses with established track records or consistent revenue streams. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.08. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Apple. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple stands at $197.57. For those who do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the other hand, if we experience a downward movement, Apple will encounter its first support level at $188.63. Should this support level hold, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has a strong buy rating. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Kondo Christ sold 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Christ sold 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -21.355. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $184.69, which represents a decrease of 4.02%. This particular stock tends to have low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 28 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals indicating a positive trend for Apple stock. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity. Furthermore, our systems have found that the current price is undervalued and considering the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Monday, January 29th, we expect Apple to open up $0.620 and begin trading at $193.04. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day, from all of us here at StockInvest.